So, kiddo, what do you want to do for fun?
I want to make cupcakes.
Cupcakes? Oh yeah! To the kitchen. Live from the kitchen, give a round of applause for an official announcement of an astounding product. Hi, welcome to Astounding Products. I'm your host, the guy in the sweater who asks all the obvious questions. Now, here to tell us about his astounding product for making cupcakes, all the way from Cheshire, England, please welcome me! Hello! Now! Hello, I'm so excited! Do you love making cupcakes, but hate all the hard cupcake work? I know I do. Well, get everything you know about making cupcakes and say hello to the amazing Cupcakeinator. I'm so excited! Cupcake or what? Cupcakeinator! This amazing device can instantly make cupcakes out of anything you have in the kitchen.
Wait a minute, did you say anything?
Anything. Anything? Yes, anything. 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 I'll get you. It'll look like a bloody accident. Now, let's see. Take off the lid. You can put in, I don't know, a carton of eggs.
What?
How about a pack of hot dogs? That's incredible. Why not some ketchup? How about, know what you're thinking, even a fire extinguisher? There we go. Now, close the lid and Bob's your flippin' uncle. What an astounding product. Oh yeah! Open the drawer. Throw the patented Cupcakeinator tray. Close the drawer. Then place it in a conventional oven. Delicious cupcakes are just minutes away. Did you just say minutes away? That's impossible. You're not just wrong, you're stupid. Now wait just a minute. And you're ugly, just like your mom. Did you just call my mother ugly? Shut up, I mean it. I will end you. Huh.
Cat, your tail.
What about it? Oh, I see. I've chopped it off. Well, that's interesting because son of a...